This present administration don't like this generation that is coming out in Nigeria because we try to question everything. We try to ask questions and oppose everywhere we perceive lies, everywhere we perceive deception. How many of you remember the AGF, Attorney General of the Federation, when he was granting an interview saying that he don't know Sowore, he don't know Nnamdi Kanu?
Then somebody asked something about Kanu and Sowore. They are not the same. Up till now, if I see Sowore, I don't know him. If I see Nnamdi Kanu, I don't know him.
Boom. That is where I perceive lie. This is just a lie. For an Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice, you know what that means? Meaning you are in charge of all the whole cases that the federal government are carrying out. You are the one indirectly prosecuting Sowore. You are the one indirectly prosecuting Nnamdi Kanu. First of all, if you are a Nigerian, I don't think any Nigerian will come out to say he don't know Sowore. I don't believe that. I don't believe that any Nigerian politician, Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice will come out to say he don't know Nnamdi Kanu. Oga, you then lie.
But I called for the files of the two people. They are not the same. When I felt, well, this one should go, I had no hesitation. It didn't give me any difficulty. But I have a difficulty in respect of the other one.
You call for the two file. You look at it, you said one should go. You look at the other one, you say, no, this one should not go. This one is a difficult one. Oga, that is another lie. Let me tell you. The administration of Muhammadu Buhari said, not even the administration, Muhammadu Buhari said this in himself in Ebonyi State when he visited Devomai that time, that he will allow court to determine the case of Nnamdi Kanu. You know what happened? When court finally freed Nnamdi Kanu, Mandami, the former Attorney General, he didn't agree. He started finding useless, amendments to make sure that the case will continue. And that is the same that you have come to parade. We are students of history. We know what has been going on in Nigeria. It is time for us to start questioning everything, Oga. Nanda, you they talk. So the reason why the other one was easy for you to, stop the prosecution, including Sunday Igboho and their lives, is because they are not from Igbo. Maybe their name doesn't sound Igbo, according to Omoyele Sowore, that Nigeria, hates Igbo. Nigeria DNA hates Igbo. That is what the Attorney General of the Federation is making us to believe or to think.
Well, what you must know is that Nnamdi Kanu is being held hostage on behalf of the famed unity of Nigeria. That's what it's all about. It's as simple as that. If you mention his name in certain circles, they don't want to hear it because they feel like he threatens the real estate called Nigeria. And his Igbo makes it worse because Nigeria's DNA hates the Igbo for attempting, in the 60s and, towards the end of the 70s, to leave a country they said is no longer favorable to their existence. But I keep saying, and I will repeat here again, is there any Nigerian out there in their majority who has not mentally seceded from Nigeria? Not many. That's why people are living in droves. Each time you get on a plane leaving this country is full, each time it's coming back, probably full too, but it is those who are coming back to pack their things that are coming back. That's the way I describe it. But the truth is that Nnamdi Kanu has been held hostage. He was abducted from Kenya, extraordinary rendition. The fact that he's kidnapped from Kenya could not be explained shows that any judicial pronouncement or processes after that is null and void. You cannot go and kidnap somebody and bring them before a court. And the courts have made it very clear, even up to the Supreme Court, that he did not jump bail. It was the military that went to his house to kill people, and then he escaped. And now you have brought him back, you ought to respect and restore his bail. That's what I told his lawyers. Why are you applying for bail again? Because the Supreme Court made all the pronouncements except releasing him. And I think it was because they were afraid. And that's why I say he's a hostage to this country. And like you rightly said, there are other people who have made even more egregious pronouncements and fought and carried arms in this country. And you have not treated them the same way because they're not Nnamdi Kanu's, their name don't sound East. And I'm not here to fetish being able. But the reality is that they are not treated fairly. And Nnamdi Kanu is part of the reason why that is clear to everybody.
Right.
And by the way, I must also reveal here that there are some Igbo elites who are behind this. Whenever there's a crime of conspiracy against freedom fighters, there are people inside and outside who are working together.
That is what the Attorney General of the Federation is making us to believe or to think.
And he's been held under the rules and laws of the nation. And I know that it's now in court. Let's wait for the decision of the court.
The most funny thing about all these interviews that all these people are granting here and there, they thought that maybe they are talking to Nigerians of 2015 or they are talking to Nigerians of 2019. No, you are no longer talking to babies and dumps. You are saying that you will allow court to determine the case. How many times have court determined the case? Court has ruled, over and over again, okay, when a court ruled that Nnamdi Kanu don't have any case, that they discharge him acquitted. Why don't you allow the court to be and obey the court? Why did you even file another counter, case in Supreme Court? Supreme Court said, this man don't jump bail. You people err by even kidnapping him from Kenya, bringing him into Nigeria, and so on and so forth. And you are still here trying to say you will allow the court to determine. What about the results of the court cases that court has determined? These people did not obey it. So, Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, everything that you are doing, everything you say, or everything you have said in that interview, send a signal to the public. You might be saying it, you think that we are not going to read meanings to it. I say big lie. We are reading meanings to you people's gesture. We are reading meanings to you people's words, your thoughts, everything you are doing, we are reading meanings to it. And we know where you people stand. You people don't stand for the unity of the country. You people don't stand for the progress of the country. You people don't stand for even the security of lives and property of the masses. For you people, your ambition and what you want to do is more important than Nigeria, because if not, you people should obey the rule of law. The treaties you people signed that don't allow you people to kidnap someone from abroad and bring into Nigeria to charge, you don't have right to charge Nnamdi Kanu. You don't have right to even fight that case. As learned as you are, I don't know, according to Dumeji, all the whole professors or educated people in Nigeria, we are all illiterate. Because if we all are not illiterate, I don't see any reason why you should be coming out to talk what will disgrace the nation. As far as I'm concerned, what you are saying now is a disgrace to the nation. It's an international incident that 2 international courts have ruled that Nigeria don't have right to try Nnamdi Kanu because you people did not bring him home. You know how you're supposed to do that. And secondly, your own court, Supreme Court, ruled that this man did not jump in. So what are you people trying to do? What are you people trying to do? Well, I don't know. I don't have ways to explain what the federal government or the games are trying to play. But what Omoyele Sowore said right down there is the truth. That Nigeria is holding Nnamdi Kanu just because they know that when this man is released, Nigeria is threatened. Nigeria is threatened not because this man is going to carry arms, this man is going to do all those things, no. Because this man will continue to say truth to the power, talk truth to the power, and advocate for the freedom of their people. And it's going to happen. That is their fear. Their fear is that a lot of people respect this man. That if we release him, this is what is going to happen. So this is what we have been waiting to hear from AGF. When he come out, just say it as it is. Nigerians already know the truth, that you are holding Nnamdi Kanu not because of the law. So stop talking about court, stop indicting court, because court has ruled over and over again, and you people are still finding over and over again. So if you say that it's because court have not ruled, that is why he is still there, and now the court cases that we have seen in the past to be. So that is what I am saying about this, that this man is a liar and he has lied to Nigeria again.